the unions and studios are still far away from making a deal that would get everybody back to work.
Yeah, that means a majority of people's favorite TV shows and other productions are still on hold with no start date in sight. The strike already stopped most sitcoms from coming back in the fall and winter, but now some are saying that if they don't make a deal this month, we'll see the effects well into the spring of 2024.
If there's not resolution in September, you are seeing this seep into 2024 in a major way. 2023 is already a mulligan. Like, the year is over. We're going to get what's been taped and out there, but there's no hope for scripted starting at the top of next year if this resolution doesn't happen immediately.
Yesterday afternoon, solidarity strikes were held in New York and California. SAG-AFTRA's union president, Fran Drescher, told the crowd they are making history and to not give up on fighting for their rights.